Using a Metro tap card on a phone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you haven't already, download the mobile wallet app that's compatible with your smartphone's operating system. For Android, use Google Pay, while for Apple, use Apple Wallet. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. Add your Metro tap card. In the mobile wallet app, you'll have the option to add a new card. Tap on this option to begin the process. Use your phone's camera to scan the barcode or QR code on your physical Metro tap card. The app will recognize the card and add it to your mobile wallet. After adding your tap card, the mobile wallet app may ask you to verify the card. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your tap card is successfully added to the mobile wallet app, you will receive a confirmation message. Depending on your phone's security settings, you may need to authenticate your identity before you can start using your tap card on your phone. This could involve setting up a PIN, password, fingerprint, or facial recognition. With your tap card added to the mobile wallet app, you can now use your phone to access public transportation services in Los Angeles County. Simply hold your phone near the tap card reader on buses, trains, or metro stations to pay for your fare. Check compatibility. Before using your tap card on your smartphone, ensure that your device and the mobile wallet app are compatible with contactless payment. Additionally, be aware that not all Metro services may support mobile tap card payments, so check with Metro for any limitations or restrictions.